The concept name is static import. Very simple and easy chapter. What is static import? Simple. Suppose if you want to import all the static members of a class, and Java developers has given us a facility to import them using a statement called import static. That concept name we call it as static import. So what do you mean by that? See, I have a SOP statement here. I have a question, and this is one of the most popular question asked in the interview. That is, they'll ask you, what is system, what is out, what is println in system.println statement. So what do you think it is? What I want you to do is, I want you to pause this video right now, and I want you to go and look into the source code of system class and find it out and come back here. So let me explain further. Suppose if you went and look into the source code of system class, you might have seen that out is basically on what? If there's a class called, a public class called system, inside that out probably would be a member of, it will be an what? Static member. But it is of some type, maybe print output stream or something. I'm not sure. Maybe after that it might have been initialized somewhere. Point is that out is basically an object of type some class, but it is a static member in system class. So system.out can be accessed directly like this. And println method is not present in system class. It is present in a class where out is basically an instance of that type. So out contains println method, not system contains println method. So this is what if you go and look into the source code, this is what you would see there. Now here, the println method, whatever is present here in the out, if I can call like this, isn't it more easy for us in future? Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. If we import all the static members present in system class, or individually also can be imported. So what I'll do now, I go here and I'll say import static. So import static, what we are specifying here, we are saying that import the static members of this class. Which class? So system belongs to java.lang.system. I'll say star import whatever is present in the system class, which is static. So now I no need to use the complete address like this. I can simply say out.println. Let me compile this and let's execute this. This is in a test package. I'll say static import. Perfect. So we have a statement called I am Batman. So it becomes more easy for us in future for us to write. Instead of every time writing system dot, we can write like this. So I also have one more example. Okay, see here I have a class called Batman, which is in a package called superheroes, which has a method called what? Fight. Suppose if I want to call this, how I can do? First thing is I can use a complete address like this. Let's say superheroes dot Batman dot fight. Let's compile and execute this once. So this time I will add Batman also for compilation. Perfect. Again execution. So the method says, Batman method says die Joker die. Now can I call Batman dot fight like this? Yes, it is possible if you have an import statement. Import superheroes dot Batman. If it is imported, then it can be called directly like this. Perfect. Now can I say like this? It's not possible unless you import all the static members of Batman. So how do you import the static members of Batman? We'll say import static Batman dot star. Perfect. Okay, see there's one more thing. Suppose if you want to import only individual members, then you can always say the individual member name. Okay, but I'll simply say star here. Okay, that's about the static import.